Hey, my name is Siddharth and in this video I will show you my project that is DRS review system, that is also called decision review system. This application can be very much helpful in stopping cheating, which is common in gully cricket, the cricket that we play generally. So this is made with the help of OpenCV, Python and tkinter. So this is the whole line of code that is used to create this project. So first of all, let us execute this project to know about it better. So this, after executing, this prompt has came and you can see that if I am a third umpire, then I can, if any decision in cup is coming for me, then let us suppose the decision for run out is coming. So I will just click here on run out and then here I will click on check now. So this prompt will occur here. Just I have to go and click next path and next row, whatever I want, to see whether the particular player is out or not out. So through this I can see that it is not clear, but if I will now go on, it is not giving any insight, but by this I can see whether the particular player is out or not out. So here we can see that till now the ball has not hit the wicket, but as I will here click next slow, next slow, next slow, next slow, so now you can see that it has hit the wicket and the player is outside the crease. So it is clear that the particular player is out, so I have to give out and here I will click here on out, and now you can see this is the my column.
Decision has been made and the player is out.
So it is also saying that a decision has been made and the player is out, and it is giving us the out symbol. So we can also do it for all the other things, like I have done it for run out. I can also do it for low catch. I can also do it for stump out and LBW as well, and I can also implement my video as well, the cricket I have played, and then I can see whether the particular person is out, not out, or anything like that. So now let us check for a stump out. So I will click here on stump out and just click here on check now. So now I will go here and do next. So I think just go here on previous flow. Till now nothing has been done. Now so here we can see that the person is inside the crease, so I can give him not out. So I will just click here on give not out, and
Decision has been made and the player is not out.
so it is saying that the player is not out. So I can do it for all the two remaining thing as well, that is LBW and low catch. So this is my project, and here we can get help, and here we can exit out from it. So just click and exit out. So this is all about my application that I have created. I hope you will like. Thank you.